last break. Ugh. That guy wants to race. But the realtor's following me, so I need to be not so fast.
I got 683 wheels. No way. Only 150 of them. I have a supercharged. No way.
Dang.
What?
Oh, this guy's gonna race. 600 versus Mustang, whatever, supercharged block. Now we gotta wait for the realtor. I feel so bad. Oh yeah, look at those cords.
Fucking smoked that guy. He's like, yeah, I got 648 horsepower to the wheel, it's supercharged. We just fucking wrecked that.